All right, we are on lesson 19, and it says, I can explain remainders by using a place value understanding and models. So we're going to be talking about remainders today, and then using the place values to kind of explain them. So here we have a problem, 41 divided by 3. So I'm going to make my place value chart for 41. So I'm going to do tens and my ones place. And then I'm going to show 41. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 1 1. Okay? So how many equal groups are we dividing this up into? I'm going to draw my bank. We're doing 3, so I'm going to divide it up into 3 groups down here. Okay, so at first I'm going to start with my tens group and divide what I have up here into my 3 groups. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then I have what I see as an extra 1. If I tried to bring it down here, I wouldn't have enough. So now I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to show my 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we're going to do the same thing we did here, is I'm going to take now 11 and split up into my 3 groups. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then if I look here, I have only 2 left. If I bring them down here, I'm going to have 2 extra 1s. So what do I end up having here is 1s in my 10s, 3s in my 1s place, with a remainder of 2. So they're left just because we cannot divide them equally. If I have 3 groups, can't divide them equally. And remember, when we're doing long division, we always check to make sure our remainder is less than our divisor, because that tells us that we multiplied enough time. So then we get our answer. All right, let's look at this as a word problem, because that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow in class. So it says, we're going to pretend we have $64, which is 6 tens and 4 ones, and we're going to share them equally among our 4 friends. Okay? So first thing I'm going to do is, remember we're trying to use place value understanding, so we're going to draw a place value chart. So for 64, I'm going to draw just tens and my ones place. And I'm going to show my 64. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then I'm going to close off my bank. And then how many groups can we do? We're going to do 4 friends, so I'm going to make 4 groups. So 1, 2, and 3, and then 4. So I'm going to look over here, and I'm going to look at my $10 bills first. Oh, hi. So I'm going to take my 6, and I'm going to divide it in 4. So here's a $10 bill. They get a $10 bill. They get a $10 bill. They get a $10 bill. What happens is I have 2 extra. So if I just have $10 bills, what I need to do is I need to change them, right, into ones. So that way I can evenly give it to my friends. So I'm going to change this into 10 ones. Right, and change it to 10 ones. Then I'm going to change this one into 10 ones. Okay, so now I have a bunch of ones that I can share with my friends because I ran out of tens. So now I have 24 that I'm going to divide up into my group. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay? So how much money am I able to give each of my friends, well, I'm able to give them a $10 bill plus 6 ones, which they get all together is $16. Okay, on this one, we don't get any remainders. Instead, what we did was these remainders for our tens, we brought them over and made them into $1 bills. Okay, so we're going to be working on this tomorrow and really working on what do we do with these remainders in a real world problem. Okay? All right, I will see everyone tomorrow.